Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. Update iOS and clear the true depth camera so scanning works. Next, hold the iPhone 11 upright about 10 to 20 inches from your face and center your eyes and nose. Once done, open Settings, tap Face ID and passcode, then enter your passcode to begin. Make sure to remove sunglasses or anything that covers your features. The sensor maps depth, so a clear face and steady hands speed the initial enrollment. You'll now perform the actual enrollment. Tap Setup Face ID and follow the circular animation to position your face. Move your head slowly in a full circle so the true depth system captures multiple angles. The process requires 2 complete scans for a full 3D map. Once both passes finish, enable the features you want: iPhone Unlock, iTunes and App Store, and Password Autofill, so Face ID works across apps. This ensures reliable authentication. Finish by locking the phone and testing Face ID from your usual distance and angle. This confirms enrollment success. If you plan big appearance changes, heavy makeup, new glasses, or facial hair, add an alternate appearance so recognition stays consistent. If Face ID struggles, make sure the true depth camera is clean and not blocked. Then retrain or reset Face ID in Settings, Face ID, and Passcode. Doing so clears bad data and lets you start fresh for accurate, faster unlocks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.